everyone, it is Ella here with a quick core blast for you. Today, all you're gonna need is a glider. If you don't have a glider at home, that's fine. You can go ahead and use a kitchen towel or a face cloth if you are on hardwood floor. And if you're on carpet today, you wanna grab maybe like a paper plate or a large manila envelope, might also work. If you don't have a glider or a slider or a tea cloth or paper at home, totally fine. You can do all of these exercises without. You'll just need to modify accordingly. Okay, I also have my water bottle nearby. I have a clear space. We are working in plank position today. So what I'd like you to do is go ahead and find your high plank position. You're going to place the glider under the ball of one of your feet. Take the palms underneath the shoulders, the knee underneath the hips. So I want you to set up your bar posture to begin. So go ahead and firm your navel towards your spine, create some space between the shoulder blades, lengthen the back of the neck, and then go ahead and find your perfect plank position. So I want you to fight for this perfect plank position as we move. Your glider foot is gonna start by sliding out, squeeze in, out, squeeze in. Good. You can slow this down or speed it up. It's up to you. Go 8, 7, 6, 5. Nice work. You have 4, you have 3, you have 2. Hold at center here. Hold. 8, 7. See my modification here? A little lift and squeeze through the glutes, back to center. Are you ready for round 2? Knee comes to the chest. We pull in, stretch long. Good. So feel free to curl through your abs just a little bit. Good. Nice. Just 4 more right here. 4, 3, 2. Hold for 8, 7. Option to come into that single leg. 4, 3. Dropping back to center. We're gonna come across the body. Knee comes to opposite elbow. 4, 3, 2. Hold at center. 8 counts. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. One more round. Are you ready? Knee comes to the outside of the elbow. Outside. Good. Breathe. Opening up through your hip. You have 4. Fight for your posture. 3, 2. Here's your final hold on this side. Hold for 8, 7. Lengthen through your back body for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Drop down into your child's pose. I felt it. Did you feel it? Good job. It's a lot of breath there. We gotta do it all over again on the other side. So, water if you need it. We're gonna reset your body. You're gonna find that perfect plank position. This time, the glider's gonna come underneath the other foot. So start on all 4s. Build your bar posture. And then step back into that perfect plank position. That leg is gonna go out, in, out, in. Breathe. You can always drop down to your knee if you need a modification here, but this is a 5-minute blast, so I want you to push it if you can. Let's go 4, 3, push into the glider with the ball of your foot, hold at center. 8, 7, again, you always have this modification. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to center. Draw the knee in towards the chest. Option to curl right through those abs. Breathe. 4, you got this. Keep going. 3, 2, hold. 8. Pulse this if you want it. For 4, 3, 2, come back to center. Take the knee across the chest. So I want you to feel the obliques working here. So it's right across the chest. Just gonna give you a different angle of that. 4 more, let's go. 4, 3, 2, what comes next? That's right, hold it center. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, final round right here. Let's go, take it out. So again, I want to show you that angle from here. Knee out, good. Knee out, go. We're so close to the end. You have 4, 3, 2, holding here at center. Finals, the pulses, lengthen through that body, firm up through that core. Well done. Back you go into that child's pose. Roll up through center. I told you that was gonna be an intense core blast. Hope you had fun. We'll see you for our next workout.
Hey Barre Babes, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Barre Fitness YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a workout, and we will see you back at the bar again soon.